This episode we take our friends out sailing to Waiheke and Motuihe Island. We had an awesome sail over to Waiheke. We just loved taking everyone out sailing.
What are you doing, Toby? Yeah, where are we? Waiheke. And what's the name of the bay that we go to?
Oneroa.
Yeah.
With the
That's cool.
When we got to little Oneroa, we started climbing the rocks and doing dances at the top and letting our friends climb up there too.
climb up all the way up there.
Okay.
I feel like we're going to Ireland to do amazing.
Oh yeah, you talk to Mum.
Annabelle, do you want to have a go? Yeah.
Go like this.
Annabelle, you can go now.
When we reached to this cave, we had to get past a crab, which was hard to get through because it was really big and we had to jump over it, and it was annoying because the cave was really skinny.
But hold on a second, wasn't that crab dead?
Yeah.
But it was still hard to get across.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it was really big.
You didn't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. See. These are the crab. Okay? That. And then you come out with a nice surprise.
After that, we decided to go crab hunting. I found a really big crab and we wanted to follow it, but it was really hard to get out, and it almost came out, but then Toby got really scared and he jumped on Dad's back, so it was even harder to get the crab out.
Careful, Toby.
I'm going on Dad's back for safety. Okay, now
No, they're not coming out, guys. Okay, get off my back, little crab.
It was such a fun weekend because then we came back and did swinging off the boat, and I did really big ones.
Here goes.
Hello.
Okay, do it again. Whoa!
Oh. Oh. That's not far. You have to go far. It's all the way to that boat. I'll give one to Toby. I'll give one to Toby.
Oh, what's Toby doing?
From there, we decided to go to Motuihe to check out the bird life and the tuataras.
But not.
Now I've found like heaps and heaps of feathers. I gave them all to my friend, and she's got more in her mum's hand, like way more.
That's cool.
And I've even got two on here. I'm using it as like a thing to pick up stuff, so I don't have to lean over since I hate leaning over.
That's cool.
Yeah, I want to hold on to your hand.
Yeah. Let's have a look at your feathers. Wow.
Look, there's a pea waka waka fantail.
So Blakey, what have you got there?
A saddleback feather and a wicker feather.
Please subscribe because next week we go to Waiheke Island.